Ahe GC News, Mima Obibia Akwaba. Nasi when you subscribe to the channel that necessary over subscribe. What the other say over click it. The subscribe button. Now what barely notification. We understand DVD be upload. Also once I can be a few years now. What like video don't like video mind. Give us a thumbs up. Now share my offer for so now when you be here now who ya airco. Afriyie and Sammy about Victoria, Inti and Seven. Besides, had the latest and hot piece in Kwana, the Bramo in Jizemo.
Agyapadie document. Yes, me 2018.
Okay.
And I may start every day. But now, Sena Madame Funuka, or Sena, few people was holding on to that document. Never a public say. But now, Nanado says fictitious. I'm saying, why also do baby. Edu baby almost completed. So we read here in progress, completed, in progress. So I'm say they have completed most of them. Until so far, I saw Baba cancer a fictitious. But no credit. Those things was written in 2018 and mimi who but they told me try their minimum. But share Agyapadie we know say yene di tro yene tro there. But see the setting up of the special purpose vehicle Agyapadie royalty in Jersey will allow us acting in a various capacity and through our friends to acquire majority of the stake to the listed of the London Stock Exchange and Ghana Stock Exchange. The cash flow would be strategically undervalued to maximize our returns. On said sir Agyapadie Royal no and no almost spending about $14 million no.
Juicy news on
Adie we ya try that answer na sa implementation e ba you.
Watching Juicy news
so how come we obi a winim nyansa na sa wo say obi na tro ya sa wo say obi na tro ya na sa book we has been in circulation na sa we implement according to obi fictional way ya nyansa be na wo ti asem na ahwene ne kan semunu no ti ba bi na okay people should just disregard them semunu bi na mo ti ba bi na mo
yeah they should disregard them because some are implementing most of their plans because manifesto no dem dey beda Ghana for but almost 2017 in Independence Square. Or can say if you need money, don't come to my government. Go to the private sector. Obwa. No, instead there is a money in the government where they are coming to fight for. Share me read another one view. And only EC registration 2020. Me read few of their plans. Or say whereas we do not expect the Electoral Commission herself to blatantly cripple the NDC, we will deploy the other non-EC functions such as need to maintain law and order, using our own people within the security agencies to frustrate NDC supporters from either registering or voting. We know Bryan Agyapong and they lead this program. Bryan Agyapong and they lead this program. 2020, NDC for.
That's right.
Preventing NDC from voting. Uko border all the borders no the security to from Togo to the north.
Satana ya throw away dada.
And
amoye.
Yes.
And Okyehene senya no kre.
Your true for.
Because you ndwinti.
O twantro. Book we me see me access to it in 2018. 2020 abemu pepepe. You preventing NDC from registration. Emma mosquito. Eko border town contracting some of the securities. Say take picture of those soldiers when we come to power. We will frustrate them. And no more mobile form kakra. Emma do voting so then they see voting time. You kumnipa bakumaku 8. This book because they are implementing it. Omo buom who said they are superior. Who say book no kind in na manyata ma kind bebre. Bawumia become a flag bearer no. Now it was part of this documented book. Now almost no Alan Kyeremanteng is fighting who is an Ashanti to become a flag bearer of MPP. But almost Makwain, they will work hard to bring non-Akan. Bawumia, who is our errand boy. Bawumia is an errand boy. That's why his vice president position. Because Ombe Wekisi Obabe flag bearer. Ekambuku no.
Tiyewe mami.
Okay.
Niakano. Yedi yanhuodin ye moja yenkra. Yidi nyina de bon ho ban. Na Akufo Addo leading the vanguard. Dr. Bawumia nso tai nechi. Ni nyina nso ye di echi. Yemia ya bossum. Ya J mine no. Ye koswanso aje ye mine.
FM 92.3.
Yes.
Kasa. You're talking to the public. Nya wo dem na wote.
That's right.
You're talking in public. As a minister of state.
Yes.
Yes. Also, because we did the preamble of this book. They are the superior. Nobody has ever defeated them before. But the scientists are trying to elevate themselves.
Okay.
Then they will not allow that. Also, and notice as Santifono Somba be the running mate flag bearer of MPP. Omo Makwain. Number Bawumia yo omo boy ni beba. Now sika omenye nyina no the be finance Bawumia campaign. Enti ne hu sika se omo tu sika during Bawumia presidential election.
Ni nyina so na ewo
book no mu dada me se me de me nya no 2018 Bawumia nya nanse na ekoyi no. Aha. Enti no sa book we se nanado na gina PCS who catch Ghana for say a fictitious and then to create problem for me. He's a liar.
Tasa mu ba be wia ya no matwro hu book.
Matwro hu book a wia state resources ni nyina.
Timetable.
Yes, o ma ye we nyina.
Na even crack to add certain assembly to assembly, okay, you have the national security machinery at your disposal. Use them. So being a true book now, you can trace it to find whoever did that.
Book no so who boy chire.
Club boy chire. Kuntunkununku na sign ye.
The picture boy chire.
Ana kuntunkununku na sign ye. Nti se wo hene na wa sign Ofori panyi asign a. Ade na wo se book na nya wo dia. On your mo pa chire ni say, sa book we hwe uredi nyina wo yem be hyew. What's a Kelvin GVG? Oma Tróuble oba no your friend say Owusu yaji ya mine wa ye the Kelvin GVG akwohye ho omo frustrate MTN business and oma take over no mu tie course
meanwhile I true say and MTN is suffering.
Yes e ka book no ho Kelvin GVG nso mu dia ba book a wa tro ni 2018 and me say 2018 eno na me hu ye ba mo tro ni dada and Kelvin GVG aba and monitors the system. Obviously, woman poor cassette, I did almost frustrated Alan Kyeremanteng in Crawford. The former general secretary, Bryan to me a man a baller job because they said they are monitoring them. One more fighting Mama Nanado, no, maybe in every system no, within their own camp.
Maminfa went to just as part of my Agyapadie implemented. One say phones being in social media, see the baba.
Yes.
I don't know about me. I said that because 1 city, 2 city. I have sworn about the chicken for free. He had the baba monitor man for course.
It's true.
And say a banner see a chicha phones be a know
Agyapadie book.
That's right.
To monitor the system.
Yanko.
And no such wicked book here. O ma tro mu the Bogana chrono. What is all the book in the Bogana chrono?
And yeah, the people come on.
Yes.
Oh yeah, to him.
All the book in the Bogana chrono. And then resources I say Ghana enya. Ema ni jina penpenso a ye ho toye no. Akoni pa kakra bi nsem. Aye da chim mafia.
You are watching.
Also, data bank will be the main advisor to their transactional advisors.
In the book.
In the book.
I am bouncing.
Wajilo nama. And nekaya yedia yentumi ntua. Ken Ofori Atta nkwabe tuye tua yenka wo Ghana ha. He has more than billions of dollars. Because who transactional advisor also ukoji bond 1 billion bond be uji 9%. What a wicked country. On my year employment I'll jump up to do 15%. On my year 55% enye dranindi. On my year dimensional poverty. Obinim to me nya esika ntodro num. Na wakoji $13 billion. Now what 9% of the bond? Who calculate here is more than $1 billion is sitting in the account of Ken Ofori Atta because of this book. They want to take over. Internanado say then, and then I'll catch you.
I'll say, Mammy, I said Agyapadie document baseless, fabricated to attack my integrity. Now,
integrity, maybe we're here. No, Nanado has he got an integrity? Ghana now can say. We are yet so timid.
But other than make us
there be a move because the man has no integrity. Nanado has no integrity. He's annoying these people, the people of Ghana. Ni behavior no I shy and so Se si o mani mo ye diama. Se si a mi jira ha ya mi koto yogurt o si 350 pesos.
Oda so di yogurt.
Na si a na mi to ba ko. O si ya tumu anura. Me say wow, what is going on? Ko energy sector. Omo uhwe Agyapadie book na omo so mo ya updated one. Updated one we do baby am say this one meet the public resistance. And no need PDS no.
And they sum it up.
Yes, PDS no. Entini se na do ka se eyantro a obuwa. Sa Agyapadie book no mo dia fast state resources ni nyindara. Nti o ka che Ghana for se o pesika ko private sector na member ma ban mu na wo so de sika na wa ban mu nyina ko family and friends. Bakuni say unso ma airport u kan Agyapadie book airport o ma kan ho asem. Take over. Baby o ma take on natural take over. Oma take it over because on say airport premises no yard no unim say nanado ni ba and I take you over that yard.
That's right.
And cause say airport no charge about $80 or so omo gini tronic capre. On say testing Nuguchi COVID buy.
That's right.
Nuguchi is the best institution that can do the best testing. On the command Benedicta Peters. Oh yeah, ni yiri that busion say dien obefa Ghana sika over $130 million or the koye. Osidien, this is the book they are implementing.
But I say,
ko banking system, I mean we banking system. On say Agyapadie book no kaya sa CB bank no consolidated bank.
That's right.
Though in the worst scenario it will not even happen because they want to take it over. See, they'll run that bank down. The bank no cost more. Then they'll privatize it.
That's
and
right.
take over. And not to know call public account committee and some go catch a public account. Say bank and they car 11 billion.
That's a bank and that's a no show.
Yes. And it's a bank no confirm. So these people, I don't know what to tell them.
I've said it and I'll repeat it again. Those who are coming to this administration thinking that it's an avenue for making a lot of money are going to be disappointed. They better go to the private sector. That is where people make money.
A serious business. And I say politics na no be a bit in everybody can do politics. But when it comes to leadership, it is reserved for few because it takes a lot to be a leader, to lead. And you see, you can't just look at a person, academic credentials, exposure, but there is something very fundamental. The character within the person.
Alaska,
that is the biggest ideas I will consider when you're giving power to Obi. And to me now, whenever I get into contact with Obi, I make my impression about it. Doesn't matter. Say me no share 1,000 times. I'll make my impression 1,000 times. Me kwa me obu me tratum. Oh yes.
So and yes, madam for no. I say sadi bia we dey unim nyansa.
Yes. Me tratu ho. Alaska. Say yan yes anema no. Na wa okura degree we me say nipa no bi wo ha opa akohono legon man nom onim nyansa say me catch you the last time. It's not
bubu legon dan no man no
fire ben kwan man no. Alaska onim nyansa. And that is a fact. You see school ayekoi Alaska ye call to develop ourselves. The last time Betana catch us say you go school because you pay adwuma.
That's right.
So what dream is you go school pay adwuma you be disappointed. A wow to enhance you to do whatever you do best. Because so knowledge in winya who show be abontina we ni pa no create dim koma. It should reflect abrante we ni nyansa. We don't need to go and hope that because I'm a certificate about my child answer how me do one dance here.
Unim suku do amako.
Yes. Now no me hu akwa joka bi minister one friend say KT Hamon no one friend say stick out
Ghana Chinese
asa manfo edi no ho fel no munim school wako school UK no me say hem class same way nti wadwe ni so ko school UK na ne chese wunim nyansa. This is the kind of thinking of mubu of mine na dwe ni say the mere fact say wako tena UK ko school ni there onim nyansa achen ya bia
na say eni ebinu ma ko school ye hu mo ewo lecture hall da enso ba bi o metwa
Alaska ye ko school to find ourselves sabaya ye nema at least yanwene yankasa ya humba you look at the collective good na ya niye na yan hurt the emotions and the aspirations and the welfare of other people because you are not alone in this world. we live in the social environment. Whenever you project your personal interest, you fail. But if you project the aspiration of a larger people, now no more kwa. So we fail
That's very true.
So that is why sign leadership here. Akufo Addo. There are certain things that Ghana for Abu so. Coming from day one, I told people say the guy is not a leader. There is no single fiber of leadership or nyebi. Somebody like a gangster. Sabi, wabone bra, ofri so. Baby, I do some president can't me the maye. Yes. And this is a guy and the heart is poisoned by cruelty and wickedness.
Oh, really?
Oh, yes. There is twinkle in his eyes, but larceny in his heart. Twinkle in his eyes, larceny in his heart. Very wicked person. And the kosunu nyina no waye no ho se chese onfa ho kra. Kwa Alaska, we a leader. Your job is to listen to the cries and nema unkro for eka.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time. You are watching Juicy News on YouTube.
But how many instances in a situation about Ghana for a president are taking the side of the people?
Akoto FM.
No, somebody are involved in the ba. Asabi, once all of a sudden statement number one thing I clarify.
That's right.
Yeah, but be a kotia Ghana for no. The back of our musician number 10, yeah, Jubilee House.
That's right.
The sanctity of the presidency was defiled with impunity. Man, that particular guy didn't crew for Messiah. Every good Ghana for anyone till day the president has been able to
Abrantia no because of no
yes.
Or no be pacha.
Abrantia no hunyan sabe pacha. Akufo Addo no busia for till date. Omoni ye numinti no. They never apologize to anybody. So that is his nature. And I've been telling people, so what baby? That's how we expect leadership from him. You'll be disappointed. But because in the first place, you never voted for a leader.
FM 92.3.
You never voted for a leader.
And you don't expect any
a leadership. You voted for a gang leader.
And one member of the man.
Nanya gangism.
I'll be a gangster.
Yes.
Or criminal intent.
Yes. And these people have been liberated. Freelancer criminals. Who's your freelancer journalist and your freelancer criminals? Oh, to me, pretty well. Who's a freelancer journalist? We are utility player. Sana freelancer criminals and your liberty or more. So, Omoya de Omope be a free radicals or monam system num. And then Obia de Ope. And we, the people, cannot continue and say, and this MPP, Pintino, Yamu and Ninguso, Nayamfa, Abanomano. I think somebody need to be punished. Somebody must answer for the many crimes, and the only way to do that is to get these criminals out of power and hold them accountable. Because if Omukotran now we are president now, but now we are against Atamelse, Sanya Manubinu, Sansem Hununa, Minianum, Yenina, Yankopa, Sansem Hunu, Ube Janefri Krumaja, or mine or I'm telling you. Alaska, Nedru and some Yakan, and away a crom phone, away I say, no way I say, no. And they are investigating Panish Obiana for Savannah also.
That's right.
So it cannot be business as usual.
Agyapadie document now. Or see if it's an unlikely event to say NDC be winning. I was say ya park the court, send a beya. Over to me a defend the yen. Oh,
now Alaska, na say you see, my catches are a president. There are a lot that you can do. You see, you don't need to adopt this. Your friends have reserved posture and attitude. Kobabia is a hostile territory.
That's right.
What packet court for? There are several ways to get some of these people out, because there are several loopholes. I'm more crazy around them. I'm for them. You use this same loopholes to untie the tide. Get them out.
Because your parliamentary candidate.
Yes.
Now you're the petition.
Yes. Because Obia Oye failed parliamentary candidate on the ticket of a political party has been appointed as a judge. He goes to parliament and tells them, say, oh, my party card, the crowd, my renounce. So, have you thought about public perception?
That's right.
Especially at this time. Abraham for confidence and trust in the judiciary. I is shaky. Yet one Chief Justice Akwada or the list aba say me person who appointing Krofo way to Supreme Court. Hey, that yes.
That's right.
Says the Chief Justice.
No kurano illegal so chief that so yes
Alaska. So there are a lot of intellectual loopholes that are. Within the last time I catch us we are dealing with unintelligent criminals. Now I'm for here. This is a blueprint I want printed to steal from the people. Cannot cry. About a blueprint I would we are about to want to public way more be a hobby. You need to be smart.
That's right.
Because are there a blueprint? And I would you mine a ban send will be our copy. I just say you are not intelligent because me say me catch us me walk or no. Ube woma wa nana no baby you will never find out.
So they are unintelligent.
Akoto FM
Alaska
2.3.
That is why I'm for. Me say when people are doing medicine, there are a lot of intelligent people also gone to the other side doing pseudo medicine. Knowledge, you know, doctor no they yes at the papa no, and no the same knowledge you know be so at the bonnet.
That's right.
And sometimes you can't catch them. The last time I told you what happened in Nepal. Almost set your up say oh yeah humanitarian where you give you free surgery need answer for them. Yeah surgery money or 2 kidney back near the cop. How many people in the hospital say check your kidney? Say ya back one name you win him. Money bomb also no. Now man for 2 kidneys are cut and they have to start dying as for them. What I say? So there is always the other side. We need to rise as people and say these people must be stopped and they must be punished. I'm happy say yeah they are not unresulted in violence.
No.
Because now people thought say cool and as for it's good say NC. Now mom you be pure mama and hold them accountable and responsible for their crimes. And I'm because they are just jokers. You see, Abrante ya ko dina see yensi for me. Now hotel crowd went to be now you see whenever you see people taking this poster now, they are all cowards and don't take them serious. Say you talk about no Ursula. Yes I also go. Me say you run away like a chicken. From the Jubilee House over here, I would say. I grew up in a moody.
No, what's about Mikhail said GCD so and now we're not. So when you subscribe, yeah, let's just say over subscribe. Now, what like it, happy, watch a video, the map of so any be now won't. Also, get me a chair or doing a fire and some way a walk comment box in Mobati in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.